Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APS Tech. So today we have the Ringke UX Magnetic iPhone 17 Pro Max clear case. So let's unbox this and check the quality of the product, if it is worth to buy or not. It is a genuine review, it's not a sponsorship. So I am a genuine buyer. So let's begin. So as you can take a look at the packet, very nicely packed, and let's remove the seal and take this thing out real quick. Very hard to open. Here we go. And then this side we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max Cosmic Orange. Let's check the thing out. The case feels super sturdy and lightweight. And at this side we got the MagSafe compatibility in the case, and this side we have a stand to hold your device. You can put your device anywhere, as simple as this, and at this position also. So now let me tell you, it also has a protection on the cameras, on the side of the cameras at the back panel. So let me tell you about the specifications before applying it to my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So it comes with a material PC TPU aluminum alloy and high protection clear magnetic case, compatible with MagSafe chargers and accessories, hybrid case with TPU bumper and polycarbonate back, kickstand, supports landscape and portrait modes, full functionality camera control button cover. As you can see, here is the camera control button cover as well for your device. So now let's apply it to our device without wasting any further time and check the genuine feedback from myself. Here it was the basic case, so let's remove it and finally apply it on the 17 Pro Max thing, and it feels super sturdy. So now here we are in sunlight, and as you can see, the color of the iPhone is clearly visible and the cameras are also clearly protected from the edges, and the device, the screen, is also protected as there is a little bump here. So overall this case feels amazing as a genuine review. So overall my feedback on this case is pretty good, and it is a complete protective case for your device. So if you want to buy this, the link will be tagged on the video. You can tap on the link and easily purchase the thing from the link, and make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech reviews.